Hello, my name is Dr. Louis Yuchen, and I'm very happy that we have a chance to talk about how to use ultrasound to do the adrenal glands ultrasound. So, Kiki, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Kiki. I'm an intern at Kenmay International Pet Hospital. I came from Poland to learn abdominal ultrasound with Dr. Louis. Today we will talk about how to scan adrenal glands. It is very important to routinely scan adrenal glands. If we notice early changes, it can give us a clue to perform further examination and diagnose diseases like, for example, hyperadrenocorticis or
Hypoadrenocorticis.
Hyperadrenocorticis.
Both.
And differentiate from, for example, residual ovary syndrome.
So for the adrenal glands, I think it's very important, and sometimes if we think there's some disease change, we can use ultrasound. But of course, if you're rich, you have a lot of money, you can do CT scan or MRI. Of course, the same choice. But the same story that MRI and CT scan machine is too expensive, or not every pet hospital can afford to buy that machine, so we can use ultrasound. So ultrasound is a kind of machine that we have in many pet hospitals, so we can use that to do. So today we will talk about how to do adrenal glands ultrasound. Yes. Now, I will use this cute dog to show you how to find the adrenal glands. First, I will talk about the anatomy, as we all know that anatomy is very important. If we know the anatomy and if we know how to use the organs as landmark to find the adrenal glands, it will save you a lot of energy. Okay, now I will draw a picture to show you the landmark. So we will use both kidney as a landmark to find the adrenal glands. So first, here is the left kidney. Here is the right kidney. And here is the aorta. Here, maybe I change the color of my pen. And here is the cauda cava. Here. And the adrenal glands, left adrenal glands is some place here, like this. Okay. And the right one is something like this here. Okay. You can see the shape are a little bit different for dogs. The adrenal glands, the left side is something like a peanut, and this is like a comma, so they're different. But for cats, both sides are a little bit similar. So now I will show you how to find both adrenal glands. So normally you can use start with the non-frequency transducer, but here I would like to choose the high frequency transducer because the dog is so tiny. So first I will try to show you how to find the left adrenal glands. And then first, we find the left kidney at the first landmark. Here is the left kidney. After I find the left kidney, and I move my probe a little bit to the center of the body and try to find the aorta. So the aorta, I find the aorta, and then I put the color Doppler on, and also put the PW on to see the blood flow of the aorta. After we find the aorta, and we just move the transducer back to find the kidney. So from kidney to aorta, we just move our transducer like this slowly to find the hyperechogeneity, peanut structure, that is our left adrenal glands. Here we just showed you the image of the left adrenal glands for this dog. So we have more image in our book. So you can read our book to see other image of other dogs. So because the shape of the adrenal glands could change from dog to dog, and also for dog, the left side of adrenal glands is always different from the right side. So now I will show you how the right side of adrenal glands looks like for this dog. So the right side of adrenal glands is more cranial than the left side, and it would be more difficult to find the right side because the location of the right side of adrenal glands is more cranial. Sometimes it's already below the rib, and also this gas in the stomach can cause it more difficult to find it. So, but if you know how to find it, you pay attention and then you can find it. So for the right side of adrenal glands, first we use the right kidney as a landmark. So I will try to find the right kidney. So here is the right kidney of this dog. So we first find the right kidney, and after I find the right kidney, I put my probe a little bit to the middle of the body and try to find the corner vena cava. So after that, I will put the corner arm and also put the PW arm to see the blood flow of the corner vena cava. So after we found the corner vena cava, and then we move the probe a little bit back to find the right kidney, and from right kidney back again to the corner vena cava, and then at this area try to find hyperechogeneity, rounded or like a camel shaped structure. That is a right adrenal gland for this animal. I'm happy that we showed you some images of the adrenal glands, but in my book there are more pictures. So if you want, you can go to read the book. And adrenal gland ultrasound is very important. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think the same. You shouldn't underestimate the importance of this small structure. Even once at the hospital, we had a case where other doctors thought it was residual ovary syndrome because female dog, after neutering, was showing estrous behavior, but ultrasound examination showed that it was caused by enlarged adrenal glands producing big amounts of hormones.
Yeah, that case is one dog is like 12 years old. And the dog was neutered when she was 1 year old. So since then the dog was doing fine. No any period cycle, but the dog started to have a period like 11 years old. So the owner thought it could be something wrong. He think that the doctor did something wrong on the surgeon. Did not cut all the ovaries, so but the doctor have 100% sure that he already cut all. So they referred to me, and then I want to do ultrasound. I found the adrenal gland is very big, so we did surgery and cut it and sent it to the lab and found it is cancer. So the adrenal glands is getting bigger, and that produces a lot of hormone, and then cause the dog have the estrous behavior, and the dog even we accept the male dog. So I think it is very, very important that we can use ultrasound to help the diagnose and make the correct treatment plan for the dog. So I'm very happy that with this high resolution machine we did, and we helped the dog. So at here I would like to say thanks to the teachers who teach my knowledge, and also thanks to Dr. Koch who provided the good machine and provided the opportunity for me to learn in Germany. So I'm very happy to help the animals. So, and also with the knowledge I can help you also to learn. So I hope you also like the video, and thank you for watching, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.